welcome back guys, welcome back to another fishing adventure guys. So yes, today guys, me and my son, we're back out here on the HQ again. Yeah, and today we're gonna jerk up some chicken, some Jamaican jerk chicken on the open fire guys. So yeah, I want to stick and stay and see this epic adventure. Stay tuned guys, all of this coming up in this video here. Yes guys, checking back. So you see this setup here that we have today guys, a little bit different from what we usually use guys. Yeah, different from what we usually use, you know. So this, I had made up this at work, yeah, specific for this adventure trip. And over here in the bag we have some charcoal that we're gonna be using, but in the meanwhile we're just gonna wait until these fire sticks kind of burn down a little bit, then we can add the charcoal on it, and then that's when we're gonna start the baller rolling guys. And first thing, as we came here this morning guys, we can actually see that big fish that get away from Neo last year was right at the waterfront here. So yeah, look at the water now today guys. It's peaceful, calm, beautiful and blue. So yeah, it's a beautiful day guys. It's actually 23 degrees out right now, really hot. So yeah, so we're gonna see what we can do guys and what we can catch. So they stay tuned when we add on the stuff them on the grill, and Neo is on the other side over there, you know, trying his luck. So stay tuned guys. Yes guys, checking back. So yes, so we're gonna throw on the chicken them and the grill them right about now guys. Yeah, just like that, you know. Yeah man, just like that we are going to put them on guys. See, we have a half of one right here. So just lay them right on him like that, you know. So well seasoned up guys. So I just stick and stay until when time we finish, then we show you guys what it's all about and what it look like, you know. Alright guys, stick and stay guys. Yes guys, checking back as you guys can see. Yes, so this is actually the setup that we have right here guys. Yeah, you guys can see we have the chicken there, you know, and underneath the charcoal here guys. I go and do them thing, you know, nice and slow and easy. We have couple sweet corn up on the grill also too, you know. Make it take them time and go and cook or jerk. You know, we're in no hurry, you know, we have all day here, so it's a make them go and take them little time and go and do them thing. And yeah, and you know, just oversee of what the water look like guys. Yeah man, so Neo still I try him luck. I go through a 2 line also myself, but in the meanwhile me just get this set up right here. Let it take your time and go and jerk, you know. In no hurry guys, nice and slow and easy. Yeah, so yes guys, as you guys can see, well marinated guys. Look at that, well marinated. You know, even the corn them guys may put some of the jerk season pan the corn them also too, because we are jerk them too, you know. Yeah, so yeah, the area guys have it. So yeah man, instead of me using the wood or the stick, so I designed this grill, you know, where I can adjust it in a sense where I can knock it down more closer to the heat. Yeah, or I can pull it up or whatever the case might be, you know, depends on the temperature that I'm looking for. So yeah man, so this is what we are gonna do guys out here today, and we're gonna eat up this. Oh, there you guys have it guys. Look at this guys, look at this. See Neo right there guys. Yes, Neo had this caught a fish while I'm recording perfectly right there. Yeah, see, just take him off the stick there, off the hook there. He's not on it. He's not on it. Okay, so if you want to hold him up to the camera there and show them, you know. Yes, so there we go. So Neo had caught his first fish of the season at the HQ guys. So there you guys have it. So wanna stay tuned with some more epic fishing, you know, we're gonna do here today. So all day guys, it's a long weekend here in Canada, so we have all day here, you know. So alright guys, so they stick and stay and look out for more action. Alright, check in guys, check in back. So look at this monster that Neo just caught here guys. Hold up Neo and show them. So yes guys, look at that monster there. You know that's a largemouth bass guys, largemouth bass. So when Neo go do, we're gonna release him back into the water because they're not in season as yet. So we're gonna release him back in the water guys and wait about another month time that we can come back and then we can take some of these guys, because we're not destroy the population now guys. So yeah, but do the right thing and release him back into the water, you know. Make sure same swim away Neil. Yeah man, so you see guys, swim off and gone guys. Yeah, usually would have keep that one guys. Yeah, that's a nice one, but unfortunate that's the way it is. So he's pretty happy and excited that he catch a big one today, and that's it, you know. Smile upon his face. So we're gonna continue keep fishing guys, continue keep fishing, you know, and see what we can catch. We still after that big one guys, still after that big pike there. So they stay tuned. Yes guys, check in back guys, check in back. So yeah, so me have give them a one flip. Yeah, just a one flip on them guys. Yeah man, kinda show you guys what I go on. Yeah, so me I go to me I make, see them I catch a color where me I look for. What I'm looking for, that's the color that I'm looking for guys, you know. So what I'm gonna do, let the other side catch some color also too, and then I go pull some of the charcoal away and let them stay there and go and soak, you know. So yeah, if you guys can see, yeah man, that is it right there guys. You guys can see it right there, the rose can them. Yeah, that is it right there guys, you know. You can hear that sizzling sound from the drippings. Yeah man, so there you guys have it. Yeah man, charcoal do his thing, you know. So yeah, so that is it guys, that is it for now. So they stay tuned. I think Neo, as I say, catching first fish. So yeah man, he might hurt the line guys, Neo hurt the line, you know. So yeah, we seen that big pike that he caught, seen him when we first came here. So yeah, so he's working the line. So stay tuned guys, stay tuned. Yes guys, check in back guys, check in back. So there you guys have it, there you guys have it right there. So these guys are actually done. Yeah, they're done. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna get them off the grill here and chop up a little piece of it and see actually how it tastes. Yeah, make Nia get a taste test off of it and see how it tastes guys. So they stick and stay guys. Alright, stay tuned and watch how we're gonna sample it and what we're gonna sample it with guys. Alright, check in guys. So yes, if you guys can see the view here, right over here guys, that's the train track there guys. Yeah man, the train track is over there, and we came here and we see they actually cutting a road to come from the other side in. So in that way we don't have to walk that far anymore. We can just drive here whenever time they actually finish it. Yeah, so yes, if you guys can see, and it come guys, you guys can see the view of the water there guys, right there, right on the hilltop here, right. And as you guys can see, they stop it right at the HQ guys, right at the HQ. Sure, we say gonna be some epic content coming up in the summertime guys. As you guys can see down there, right, that's the HQ right down there guys. So there you guys go, and give you guys a better view of the actually water, but the actually how big this thing is guys, you know. It's a very wide body of water, all natural spring out of the earth, you know. So yes, so there you guys have it. Yeah man, you guys can see over there, you know. So yeah man, it's a good look guys, a good look. So yeah man, that's it guys, that's it. Let me show you guys a view of how the water is guys. You know, I know some trees are blocking it right now, but yeah, you know, we can't cut down all the trees for the HQ. Can't do that because we need the shade, you know. Right now it's really hot, guys. When we got here this morning, it was like 23 degrees, and now I think it's even hotter. So yeah, man, so big up on yourself, guys, big up on yourself. All right, blessings, guys. Yes, guys, check in back. So yeah, so we have near here with the finished product right here. So all right, now go ahead and taste it and let the people them know. So we put some ketchup on it and we have the bread. Yeah, man, I'll show you guys where it actually tastes like. Yeah, man. What do you say?
It's good.
It's good?
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, man, that is it on the open flame, you know. Jerk chicken on the open flame. So I gotta do my taste test, guys. I'll make you guys see tell you what it actually tastes like. So the stick and stay, guys. Stick and stay. We're gonna eat some lunch now, and then we'll go back to the fishing. All right, guys. Stick and stay. Check in, guys. Check in. So yes, guys. So I'm gonna go actually do my taste test on it now, and give you guys my honest opinion. Yes, guys. Dipping in some of my ketchup. So yes, guys. This, trust me, you can taste the pepper and the charcoal, yeah, the smokiness, yeah, the real authentic Jamaican jerk, you know. So yeah, out in nature by the waterfront. So yeah, I'm having it with some bread and some actually roast corn, guys. Yeah, roast sweet corn. Wow. Top of the notch, guys, top of the notch. Well done, well done. So thank you guys for watching. Remember to tell a friend about the days from the lifestyle vlog, guys. And catch you guys in the other adventure. Alright, guys, big up on yourself. Peace out.